Welcome guys to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the good old southern fried cabbage. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and chop up your bacon and your sausages to make the grease for the cabbage. Go ahead, get any kind of sausage that you like. Cutting game go crazy. Now you go ahead and get your shallots, or your choice or not. Cut the ends off. Cutting game go crazy. Now you go ahead and cut your ends off your onion. You can use any kind of onion you want. I use sweet. Cutting game go crazy. Now you go ahead, cut your bell peppers. Red, orange, yellow, it don't matter. Cutting game go crazy. Now you go ahead, chop the ends off your cabbage. And cut it down the middle to get the core out. The core is hard, so you want to remove that because it will take forever to cook. Now, I almost cut my finger on here. And go ahead and dice it up to any size you like. Cutting game go crazy. Now go ahead and fry your bacon. And go ahead and make the grease. And don't cook it all the way. Like not quite. Now, the pan is not burnt, that is all flavor. Now go ahead and cook your sausage, get some more grease until brown or to your liking. Now add your butter to loosen up the grease in the bottom. It's all flavor. And go ahead and add your onions and your shallots first. Saute them. And go ahead and add your bell pepper. Saute them as well until it's nice and soft. Now go ahead and add your bacon and your sausage in. Scramble it all well. Now go ahead and add your cabbage in. Now you can put as much as you want because it's gonna die down. And now you're gonna just merge everything together and let it cook. It's gonna simmer down until it cooks. Now I add a little beef broth. You can do chicken, vegetable, it don't matter, but I like to use beef. Merge everything until it cook down. Cover it and let it cook and simmer to your liking. Now we're not going to season it just yet. And now you can season it after you cover it. I use pepper, dash, you add your adobo, and then your garlic powder and your onion powder. But you can season it however you want. It's just how I season mine. Your Greek seasoning. It's the best seasoning to use right there. I'm going ahead and scramble it, cook it for a few more minutes. And there you have it, southern fried cabbage. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later.